Where do people you may know suggestion come from on Facebook? The people you may know suggestion on Facebook are generated by factors primarily based on the algorithms designed to identify potential connections. So if you tap on the friend request from your home page at the menu bar at the top, you will land in your friend request. So under this section of friend requests, you will have another section as people you may know. And these suggestions are not random. They come from several data sources that Facebook uses to recommend people that you might know. So here, if you have or if you and someone else have a multiple mutual friends, Facebook might suggest you connect. The more mutual friends you share, the more likely it is that you will be suggested. Or Facebook uses information on your profile such as your workplace, your school, your location, and your hobbies, which will suggest people with similar or matching details. And if you have uploaded your phone contacts or email address to Facebook, the Facebook platform will use these contacts to suggest people you might know who have also uploaded the same contact information. And through the interactions with the post group, if you have interacted with someone through the comments, likes, or shares in the groups on public posts, Facebook might also suggest that person as someone you could know. And if you are part of any Facebook group or event, the platform will also suggest people who are active members or who are participating in the same discussions. So these are some of the approaches that the Facebook uses to get the name on the suggestions or people you may know. And here you can manage and limit how people use your data to suggest people. While you cannot completely turn off these suggestions, but you can adjust your privacy setting to limit some of your sources of these recommendations. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.